Stress. But before we start, I want close my position. Close first, and then I will start. We go fly we. Okay, now we start. Why gold fly? Okay, the mistake is have momentum. Okay, momentum. From here we buy and then boom. Hey, this is shit. Okay, from here until here around 70 pip, 75 pip in 1 minute. Actually 1 second. 1 second. Boom, hit our SL. Then buy. Actually this is our zone buy for CPI. I marking this. Okay, H4. Okay, this is for previous. I already share at live session. I marking this one, H4, engulfing. Okay, how to define engulfing? Just turn to line chart and then you can see V here. Okay, so we use as a zone buy. Okay, now we need to recap. On H1, on CPI, gold touch on this 200C and then I instant buy, right? Buy, boom, 200 pips, and then falling down again around 250 pips. Okay, it's okay, but actually yes, we can't accept this movement, right? Because this is just manipulate from here until here around 100 pips. So maybe tomorrow we need to find sell, because on H4 already show us that this is candle reversal or will reverse. This is bearish, strong bearish. So tomorrow we need to find sell maybe, because second reason gold fly is trend line from here until here touch. Okay, if you want to see it clearly, just using line chart. So if you want to close, if you still hold by, please close or just set break even. Okay, just set break even. Now I'm done for today. Actually I don't want to make a loss, but I'm not control market, so please accept the losses. Okay, so I hope you guys can see and learn. Okay, if you gone or capital wipe up, please prepare tomorrow to recovery. Maybe I think actually my target is still fly. But what we can see at H1, respect here, and then show us this is strong bearish. So maybe we need to wait and see what will happen for tomorrow, because tomorrow have also sentiment. So we just need to wait. Okay, now gold already fly around 100 pips, 110 pips. Okay, so just prepare at this current resistance to monitor for selling. Okay, if break, the answer is buy. So if one buy, we need to wait at this, at current structure, make it sideways, pull back, break higher, break lower, and then we find buy. Okay, so enjoy. I just, because I'm profit, right? Because I'm not CSL, because this is too fast. If you see CSL also so fast, or maybe loss or MC first before gold fly. Okay, it's okay, we can make again for tomorrow. Okay, overall gold already fly, follow my prediction, but hit our SL first. It's okay, we can continue tomorrow. Okay, bye guys, see you tomorrow.